Ergosleep is committed to excellent customer service. This starts with a moment your customers have been eagerly awaiting, the delivery of their bed. Your installation team installs it with the utmost care and adjusts it according to the customer's personal sleep DNA. We make a follow-up call to the customer after a couple of weeks to gauge their experience and satisfaction. We also ask for the associated NPS score. Our contact with the customer does not end there. We use professional email marketing to inform the customer just at the right time. You can keep tabs on all of this on your personal Ergosleep dealer dashboard. We share our data and give you the insights you need. And your customers? They'll be happy to return for their next purchase.